Looking for perfect souvenirs for your family and friends sometimes take an effort and time to find. Are you looking for some toys for kids and warm socks and gloves for grandma? Kitchen tools for mom? It's kind of daunting task that you go look around in the huge city Tokyo where it's like a complicated maze. If you're short on time and need to get a variety of kinds of souvenirs, definitely you should go here, Hands. There are 80 shops all over Japan, from Hokkaido to Okinawa. Now I'm in front of Shibuya Hands, taking about 5 minutes from Shibuya Station. Our total floor is 23 from the second basement floor to the 7th floor with a variety of items. You could get a tax-free, so don't forget to bring your passport with you. In today's video, I'm going to show you top 20 must-buy items for your souvenirs. In my channel, I'm introducing what to eat in Tokyo, Kyoto, Fukuoka, and must-visit spots and must-buy items for souvenirs. If you're interested in these topics, please subscribe my channel. Now, let's get started. Currently, Kabashi is very popular for people from other countries to buy some kitchen items and ceramics. Of course, the spot is the best option to shop those items, but you could buy a lot of same kitchen appliances here as well. In Japan, it's quite common that mom makes a bento for kids' lunch, so we have a lot of cute bento boxes and related items. Even some people make the ones character design bento such as manga or anime characters. We could choose a wide variety of design, size, and material chopsticks. I bought one of these chopsticks last time, so I'm looking for simple ones. I think I'll go one of these. They're made in different trees. The other ones I bought today made of peach tree. They're just simple design and feel the warmth of the tree. Do you often scrape the pot of rice to the edge of the rice cooker? Try out the premium rice puddle. Made of TPX resin with high exfoliation makes it even more difficult to stick with rice. It's also difficult to get dirt and can keep clean for a long time. If you're a coffee lover, you should get this item. Ceramics emit far infrared, and by slowly heating with its effect, the original taste of the beans is brought out. There are countless small holes, and when passing through the hole, excess components are removed and the only umami is extracted. The coffee will be more mellow and feel the umami and aroma. Now I'll show you the cleaning and laundry supplies. I always buy a daily cleaning and laundry items here, because there's always staff with expert knowledge not only the products but also know-how. I think many people are looking for a sponge that forms well, remove dirt easily, and hygienic one. I've been repeatedly using this sponge recently. The green side is hard and rough that can remove stacked stains. And the other yellow side is made for soft pile surface that can use for delicate things. They're so cool. They're shaped in sushi and even separated in the rice and toppings. Utamaru soup was born in 1957, made with strictly selected ingredients and manufacturing method. The biggest feature of the soup is its detergency. It thoroughly removes mud stains, stain on the white shirts, and food spill stains that are difficult to remove with normal washing. Plus, it is easy to dissolve in water and easy to apply. I always stop by this floor with a full of baskets makes me so relaxing and comfortable for my bath time. If you want to give a small gift to your friends, I recommend bath salt that will hit your daily fatigue. There are various package design, effects, and the bubble or not. You might be seeing this package of face masks. It makes you refreshing, your whole body warms up. It makes you feel like bathing in a hot spring. I always get less swelling, especially during summer. I often use this bath salt, which helps us to sweat, warm up our body, and fat burning. It contains lipolytic enzyme, which breaks down excess fat on the surface of the skin. In order to enhance the effect of the bath salt, take a break after hydrating for another 5 minutes and repeat it 2 to 3 times. Replacing the shower head can be expected to save water and beauty effects. Japan-made shower heads that have been keeping developing for beauty skin and beautiful hair at the same time. Rifa started its business to releasing the facial roller in 2009. Since then, it's been well known to beauty industry. You might have seen this hairbrush before. This is also popular in Japan. All in all, I should have bought earlier. It's worth more than the price. It has 4 spray settings with a jet, straight, pure straight, and mist. Its golden aesthetic shower and beauty effect is expected because it generates ultra-fine bubbles from the shower head. This tiny form, much smaller than pores, penetrates into them, absorbs dirt, and scrapes away oil and dirt from the scalp and skin. This small allows you to enjoy the mist that rubs your face softly. After starting using the shower head, my skin is the best smooth ever. How do you usually choose a toothbrush? It's important to find the one suitable for your mouth to prevent pollution residue. They have a wide range of items to meet diverse requests. Miracle Toothbrush, which has been attracting attention in recent years, is the best-selling toothbrush at Hands. A pyramid shape with unique function that the end of the hair are slanted and the tips are pointed. The brush fits perfectly in any shape of a tooth and the gap between the teeth. It will thoroughly remove the dirt. By dividing the brush into 2 layers, we could brush all of the teeth. After brushing, the surface of the teeth is so smooth. How do you keep the cleanness of your toothbrush? This item disinfects bacteria in your toothbrush in just 3 minutes by using LED ultraviolet light. Charging by using a USB connection is convenient to carry while traveling. Hands offers a variety of workshops, events, and demonstrations that show you how to use the items. I'm now on the 2nd floor with a lot of character goods, games, and sign items that you can enjoy shopping in any ages. Ultra mini-sized block was born in Japan in 2008. Combine color blocks to create such as Osaka Castle, Tokyo Tower, and also some anime character works. Anyone can easily create an art by simply pasting and assembling the laser cut parts. They have a wide variety of famous scenes and character products. If you're a Ghibli lover, you should get this. It's a reverse game that has a character toy stacked both sides. The board game is so adorable. A beckoning cat, we call it Manekineko, is a figure of a cat with one paw raised for good luck to bring in customers. The figure is still often displayed in shops and restaurants. Daruma is widely known as an auspicious object in Japan. As you see, the figure's eyes are both blank white when purchased. You set a goal or wish and paint in the left eye on the figures. Once the goal is achieved, the right eye is filled in. Recently, Humbarazu has become a hot topic on SNS and the media. They are not just kid stuffed toys. By sandwiching them between your stomach and desk, you can naturally maintain the correct posture. There is also a wide variety of sizes and characters, plus a newly released worm type is now available. Even when we become adults, collecting stickers is exciting, isn't it? The series Otona no Zukan stickers are produced for targeting adults, so this makes us nostalgic and feel like collecting. Really like the Donburi series. All stickers are so detailed that makes me mouth-watering. Most shrines and temples in Japan hand over red ink stamp for pilgrims. I recommend you to get one before starting exploring Japan because there's only few options at shrine and temples. You could get a stamp on the book whenever you visit shrine and temple to make your own memory. I'll show you mine. It's nice, isn't it? Since its founding, they have been producing interesting erasers such as sushi, vegetables, and animals. Look at this Manfuji eraser. It's a perfect for souvenir. Products to relieve stiff neck and shoulders are also recommended for those who have neck pain due to desk work. Massage tool can make a huge difference in your massage therapy practice. Choose from their vast selection of innovative massage tools crafted from a variety of high-quality materials and effects. Most of the items are available to try, so find the best one that makes you feel comfortable. This is good. Have you decided what to buy for souvenirs for your family and yourself? If you have any questions, you can ask the expert staff. They will kindly explain for you. I hope that you enjoy shopping and hand store in Japan. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.